Hey there, welcome to our tutorial on how to hide snoozed emails in the label list on Gmail on PC. With the new update, Gmail has made it easier to manage your emails and keep your inbox organized. Let's get started. First, open gmail.com on your PC. Then, look for the gear icon at the top bar and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with different options. Click on See All Settings to access the full settings menu. Next, navigate to the Labels section in the Settings menu. Here you will see a list of all the labels and categories in your Gmail account. Look for the label called Snoozed and click on it. In the Snooze label settings, you will find an option to hide the label from the label list. Click on the option to hide the snoozed label. This will remove it from the label list on the left side of your Gmail inbox, making it easier for you to focus on the emails that need your attention. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can hide snoozed emails in the label list on Gmail on PC. Keep your inbox organized and stay on top of your emails with this helpful feature. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.